dive into a fascinating bilingual journey through the wonders of the animal kingdom. This beautifully illustrated book introduces young readers to the incredible creatures that roam the oceans and buzz through the air, from the mighty blue whale to the tiny, glowing firefly. Each page features vibrant artwork and fun facts, making learning about wildlife an exciting adventure. Designed for curious minds, this guide presents animal names and key terms in both Language 1. Lobsters have two claws. One is usually larger and stronger for crushing. The other is smaller and sharper for cutting. Lobsters have blue blood because their blood contains copper instead of iron. They have poor eyesight, but a strong sense of touch and smell. Scorpions are arachnids, meaning they are related to spiders, with 8 legs, 2 pincers, chile, and a tail that ends in a venomous stinger. Scorpions are nocturnal, primarily hunting at night. They use their pincers to catch prey and their stinger to inject venom and subdue it. Crab is a crustacean that belongs to the order Decapod, meaning it has 10 legs. Its body is covered by a hard exoskeleton called a carapace for protection. Crab is an important part of many ecosystems, helping to keep marine and terrestrial habitats clean by scavenging. Crab has excellent vision with compound eyes that allow it to see in almost all directions. This helps it spot predators or prey from afar, especially in murky waters. Ladybugs are beneficial insects, known for being natural pest controllers. They feed on aphids, scale insects, and other pests that damage plants. Ladybugs can have different colors and patterns, including red, yellow, orange, or black. Some have spots, while others may not have any. Ladybugs are not true bugs. They are beetles, family Coccinellidae, with adults having a hard outer shell, elytra, that protects their wings. Ants are incredibly strong. They can carry 10 to 50 times their body weight, making them some of the strongest creatures relative to their size. Ants communicate using chemicals called pheromones, which help them find food, mark trails, and signal danger to the rest of the colony. Ants work together as a superorganism. Whales are mammals, which means they give birth to live young, breathe air through lungs, and are warm-blooded, even though they live in the ocean. Whales breathe through blowholes located on top of their heads. When they surface, they exhale forcefully, which creates a spout of water vapor. Fin whale is found in every major ocean and travels thousands of miles during seasonal migrations. It feeds in cold polar waters and breeds in warmer, tropical regions. Fin whale uses baleen plates instead of teeth to filter feed on tiny organisms like krill and small fish. A single whale can consume up to 2 tons of food per day during feeding season. Chameleons can change color, not just for camouflage, but also to communicate emotions, attract mates, or regulate body temperature. Chameleons' eyes can move independently, giving them a full 360-degree view of their surroundings without moving their heads. Chameleons don't hear well, but they can detect vibrations and low-frequency sounds through bone conduction. Chameleons can change color, not just for camouflage, Blue iguana or Grand Cayman blue iguana. They can live over 40 years in captivity and often exceed 20 years in the wild. One of the largest land iguanas can grow up to 5 feet (1.5 meters) in length, including the tail. They eat leaves, flowers, and fruits, strictly plant eaters. Mating occurs in May or June, with eggs laid in June or July. Females lay up to 25 eggs, which incubate for about 3 months. Adults are a bright blue color, especially during the breeding season. Penguins can't fly, but they're excellent swimmers. Their wings have evolved into flippers. All wild penguins live south of the equator, including Antarctica, South America, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. Emperor penguins can dive over 1,800 feet (550 meters) and hold their breath for more than 20 minutes. Emperor penguin males incubate eggs on their feet. From the mighty blue whale to the tiny glowing firefly. Each page features vibrant artwork and fun facts, making learning about wildlife an exciting adventure. Designed for curious minds, this guide presents animal names and key terms in both Language 1 and Language 2, helping kids build vocabulary in 2 languages effortlessly. Whether they're exploring the deep sea or a backyard garden, children will love discovering how these amazing animals live, eat, and interact with their environments.